AI in language processing. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for AI in language processing. Beginner level introduction. AI in language processing means using artificial intelligence to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This field is commonly called natural language processing, NLP. Language can include text, emails, messages, documents, speech, voice commands, conversations. AI helps computers work with language just like humans do. Examples include chatbots and virtual assistants, language translation, text summarization, sentiment analysis, positive-negative feedback, voice assistants, speech recognition. This topic helps beginners understand how AI can read, understand, and communicate using human language. It introduces key AI concepts such as NLP, natural language processing, tokenization, text analysis, machine learning, deep learning, language models. What is AI in language processing? AI in language processing is the use of intelligent systems to process and understand human language. In simple words, AI in language processing equals using AI to understand and generate human language. A beginner view includes reading text, understanding meaning, extracting information, generating responses, translating languages, analyzing sentiment. Why AI in language processing is important. Human language is complex because it includes grammar, context, emotions, ambiguity. AI helps by understanding large amounts of text, automating communication, improving customer support, enabling voice assistance, making information accessible. Basic areas of AI in language processing: area purpose, text processing, clean and prepare text, tokenization, break text into words, sentiment analysis, detect emotions in text, language translation, convert between languages, text generation, create human-like responses, speech processing, convert speech to text and vice versa. Example of language data text equals AI is amazing, print text. Example of text analysis text equals I love AI. If love in text, print positive sentiment. Simple AI language processing example, Python. Sentence equals hello world. Words equals sentence dot split, print words. How AI in language processing works. Step 1. Input text or speech. Input text equals how are you? Step 2. Pre-process text. Lowercase, remove punctuation, clean data. Text equals input text dot lower, print text. Step 3. Tokenization. Tokens equals text dot split, print tokens. How? In tokens. Print question detected. Step 5. Generate response. Print I am fine, thank you. AI in chatbots. Chatbots interact with users. User input equals hello. If user input equals hello, print hi there. AI in sentiment analysis. AI detects emotions. This is great. If great in text, print positive sentiment. AI converts languages. English equals hello, Spanish equals hola. Print English equals Spanish. AI in text summarization. AI shortens long text. AI is powerful and useful. Print summary AI is useful. AI in speech processing. AI converts speech to text. Speech equals hello AI. Print converted to text. Full menu-based language processing example. Def analyze text. Text equals input. Enter text. If good in text, print positive sentiment. Else, print neutral negative sentiment. Def chatbot. MSG is input. Say something. If MSG equals hello, print hi. Else, print I don't understand. Def tokenize. Text equals input. Enter sentence. Print text split. While true, print N1 analyze text. Print 2 chatbot. Print 3 tokenize text. Print 4 exit. Choice equals input enter choice. If choice equals 1, analyze text. Elif choice equals 2, Chatbot. L if choice equals 3. Tokenize. L if choice equals 4. Break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from AI in language processing. See NLP fundamentals. Text preprocessing. Text tokenization. Sentiment analysis. Language understanding. Real-life analogy. AI in language processing is like a person reading and replying to messages. It can read text, understand meaning, detect emotion, respond appropriately. Ways to improve a language processing project. Use NLP libraries, NLTK, Spacey. Use transformer models, BERT, GPT. Add multilingual support. Improve chatbot responses. Use speech recognition APIs. Build conversational AI systems. Add context awareness. Datasets, common mistakes beginners make. Not cleaning context and language. Treating words independently. Not cleaning text data. Assuming perfect understanding. Confusing NLP with simple keyword matching. Where AI in language processing is used. Chatbots, search engines, voice assistants, translation apps, customer support, social media analysis, healthcare systems, education tools. Large systems may include language models, conversational AI, speech recognition systems, text analytics platforms. Simple definition. AI in language processing. The use of artificial intelligence to understand, analyze, and generate human language. Final summary. AI in language processing enables machines to understand and communicate with humans. It helps with text understanding, language translation, chatbots, sentiment analysis, speech processing. By learning this topic, beginners understand how AI powers modern communication systems.